everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining me and my amazing art family on the Fluid Art Express today for another fantastic adventure. So today we're going to do some CA swipes, some blooming with a mini blower on this big 16 by 12 inch canvas to just, really I just want to show you that you can do a bloom with a mini blower on a big canvas. So let's just have some fun, experiment, a few transfer swipes. Let's see where it takes us. So kick back, we'll kick those tunes up and let's have some fun.
A quick look from the backseat, city going by as we're passing streets. Dim lights in her basement dive, leather jacket and my whiskey, me and I can't find a way to compromise unless I'm looking in your eyes. And I know we're leaving all the rules behind. Welcome to the wild. It's every man for himself. Welcome to the wild and crazy. No one wants you, no one else. And I won't waste another hour. Baby, you don't know your power. I'll take you to the wild, lady. Sing welcome to the wild. Midnight on Mulholland Drive, I take the wheel and you close your eyes. You know I love the chase and we don't hesitate. A little danger makes you feel right. And I know everybody wants you, but they can't do what I do. Yeah, I feel like there's nothing left to lose if I don't got you. Welcome to the wild. It's every man for himself. Welcome to the wild and crazy. No one wants you, no one else. And I won't waste another hour. Baby, you don't know your power. I'll take you to the wild, lady. Sing welcome to the wild. Big city, lost in a crowd. Come with me where we're not allowed. 'Cause you're looking like trouble, but you got no place to go. But let me tell ya, this city, it's a jungle. Welcome to the wild. It's every man for himself. Welcome to the wild and crazy. No one wants you, no one else. And I won't waste another hour. Baby, you don't know your power. I'll take you to the wild, lady. Sing welcome to the wild. I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. 'Cause the bigger they are, the harder they fall. You build your fortress and I'll climb your walls. You got your armor, but I see your flaws. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Bigger they are, the harder they fall. I journey through the darkness, through the deepest and the hardest. I wear the scars like tattoos, every single break and bruise, so I know what the cost is. I'll go through anything to get where I wanna be. Nothing you throw at me gonna knock me off of my feet. It might take everything, so if you want it, you gotta be ready to bleed. 'Cause I'll go through anything, and you're gonna have to go through me. You're walking it like you're Goliath, but do you really wanna try it? They tell me that you're 10 feet tall. They tell me you can never fall, but I don't really buy it. I'll go through anything to get where I wanna be. Nothing you throw at me gonna knock me off of my feet. It might take everything, so if you want it, you gotta be ready to bleed. 'Cause I'll go through anything, and you're gonna have to go through me. anybody tell you it's gone way too far? No, nothing gonna help you when it falls apart. The prophets and the preachers told you, but you covered your ears, and now the end is near. Gonna tear it all down. 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 Call it revolution.
guys. Well, didn't that one give me a run for my money? That was a bit of fun. So we had a bit of transfer swipes going on. We had some blooming action going on. We had a bit of CA swiping. We had a bit of everything with this one. It was just a pretty cool darn adventure, I must say. I think we got some really cool effects going on there with those that colour palette. Loving the Grenache, the CA swipe up in the corner there. I think that really pops, makes it a really, really cool custom feature there. So I hope you enjoyed that one this week. Something a bit wacky and wild from the bubbles on a 16 by 12 inch canvas. Haven't done a bigger one for a while, so tell you what, that just shows you can do a wacky big bloom with a mini blower. Have some fun. So next up after me today, we have the fantastic dynamic duo of my beautiful big brother and my amazing big sister, Tony and Kat Pender from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So come on over and join them, guys, because the Fluid Art Express doesn't finish till we've had our caboose. So until next week, stay safe, take care, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Thank you for joining us. Have a fantastic day.